Hey, it's Simon. Except it isn't. This is my AI avatar. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create one of these yourself. A realistic AI avatar that looks like you, sounds like you, and can generate videos automatically in any environment you want.
And we'll build this together inside HeyGen. We'll clone your face, train the avatar so it looks and sounds just like you, and generate full talking videos with it in minutes. And the best part is you can do all of this without filming every video yourself. So let's build your avatar. So first we just need to get you inside HeyGen. If you don't have a HeyGen account just yet, then all you have to do is click that top link below. And once you've done that, you'll land right on this page. Now you can sign up with Google or email. If you sign up with email, check your inbox and click the magic link to verify. Then you're inside the workspace. So you'll start on the free plan, which is great if you just want to test things out and see how everything works. But if you want to remove the watermarks, export in higher quality, and unlock full avatar looks, then you're going to need at least the creator plan. So click the little diamond icon down here for plans and pricing. And I'm using Pro for this walkthrough so we can export in 4K, but Creator is absolutely fine for most people. So let's upgrade. Alright, so now we can actually build the avatar. So head over to Avatar on the left, then click Avatars in the submenu, then hit the drop down next to My Avatars and click New Avatar. And you're going to see two options here, clone a real person or create a virtual character. We're cloning you, so click Clone a Real Person. Then you'll get a pop-up asking for camera and mic access, just allow both. Now you can either record with your webcam or your phone. You can upload a pre-recorded clip up here as well. So I'm going to show you the phone method because honestly it normally gives you the most realistic results. If you do want a full step-by-step webcam walkthrough though, check out my full HeyGen tutorial and I'll walk you through it there. So let's click record via phone and scan the QR code. Alright, and now let's jump right on the phone. So you can hold your phone like this, kind of selfie style, and that's totally fine. Or even better, if you have a phone stand, you can use that. And you want the phone roughly eye level like this. So straight on, not like this, but just straight on like this. And for lighting, like the simplest and easiest way is probably just to sit in front of a window, open the curtains and just let the natural light hit your face. Or if you're using lights, then just keep it balanced. So you don't want anything too dark like this, or anything too blinding either like this. So just something like this is absolutely fine. And for your audio, honestly, the mic that's already built into your phone is your best bet. And don't worry too much about your background or what you're wearing, because we're going to change all of that later when we come to create different avatar looks. Okay, so we're nearly ready to record. You're going to get 15 seconds just to read a very short script. And the key thing here really is to not rush it. Just speak naturally, move normally, just like you normally would. All right, let's do this. Here we've got a 5-second countdown. Hi there. I'm speaking with lots of energy, using my hands naturally as I talk. This helps HeyGen capture my voice, my expressions, and my motion, so my avatar can behave just like me in any video. For safety purposes, my unique code is 81. Then once you're done, hit finish recording, and then upload the footage. And now back on the HeyGen website, you can watch it back. And don't worry because you can record this, re-record it as many times as you want. So there's really no pressure at all. Then once you're happy, go ahead and name your avatar. I'll just call this one Simon. And you'll see these three toggles are already switched on. You've got background removal, 4K resolution, and noise removal, which is absolutely perfect. So now let's hit create avatar. And just like that, HeyGen gets to work building your AI clone. So now, when you head back over to Avatar, you can see your AI clone sitting right there. Alright, so now let's actually use your AI clone in a real video and see how it holds up. So over on the left, click Video Agent. This is the quickest and by far the easiest way to generate a video because it builds the script, the structure, everything automatically. And you'll see your clone is already selected here by default. Perfect. And now in this box, you just describe what you want the video to be about. For example, Create a direct-to-camera talking head video where I explain why consistency beats motivation. Keep it natural, conversational and practical, clear and confident delivery. Now, before we go ahead and generate it, just open up the settings down here and I'm going to set the length to 30 seconds. So now we go ahead and click auto generate, hit the arrow and let's see what it comes up with.
Motivation is great, but it's unreliable. If you only work when you feel like it, you'll never reach your goals. Consistency, on the other hand, is a choice. It's about showing up even when you're tired, bored, or completely uninspired.
So the lip sync I think looks really natural and even the eyes look like my eyes. Everything looks like me. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. All right, now this is where we can have a little bit of fun because your avatar is now looking realistic and it sounds like you, but right now it only lives in one world and that's a bit limiting. Because once you realize that you can drop this avatar into any environment that you want, that's when things start to get interesting. So let's create a few different versions. So head over to avatars, click new look, and then choose design with AI. Now, all we do here is just describe the version of us that we want. So for example, you could put something like, create a version of me in a modern YouTube studio. And these, I think, would be perfect for YouTube content. Or maybe even something like, chef version of me working in a professional kitchen. As you can see, it's the same avatar, just dropped into a completely different setting. Or maybe even something like Trekker version of me in a Thai jungle. So I hope you can see just how simple the prompts can be. Of course, you can get more specific if you want. You can talk about things like clothing and other details. But honestly, most of the time, the AI already understands the context. All right, so now let's actually create one. In this prompt box, I'm going to put personal trainer version of me in a modern gym. Now we hit generate looks and then view. And you're going to get 3 versions, so you can just pick the one that you like the most. And if you want to create a brand new video with this look, all you do is just hover over it and click create video with this avatar. Then right here, we hit script writer. And just like before, now we tell the AI what we want the video to be about. And I'm just going to keep this super simple and say, encourage someone who is about to start their workout. Let's hit enter. And now you've got a script. Now, of course, you can accept, discard, or try again. I think this script looks good, so I'm going to accept it. Now let's adjust the voice. Hit the drop down and then choose auto enhance. It's just a really quick way to make the audio sound just a little bit more natural and expressive. Now hit generate. Let's make sure it's 4K and then hit submit. Now let's take a look.
You're about to embark on an amazing journey. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Embrace the energy.
Same clone, same voice, just a completely different environment. And that's how you turn a one AI avatar into multiple versions of you. Now, there's a lot more you can do inside HeyGen, so if you want to master HeyGen properly, then watch my full step-by-step HeyGen tutorial next. Or if you're making YouTube videos and you want people to actually click them, then watch my AI thumbnail tutorial right here. So choose whichever video is going to help you out the most, and I will see you in the next one.